Have you ever scrolled through TikTok and seen someone absolutely raving about a workout that changed their life? Without any weights, running, or complicated moves, enter 12-3-30. The formula is simple. You set your treadmill to a 12% incline, walk at 3 miles per hour, and do it for 30 minutes. That's it. No sprints, no jumping, just walking uphill. This workout went massively viral after creator Lauren Giraldo shared it back in 2020. Since then, 12,330 has exploded across social media, gathering hundreds of millions of views. People claim it helped them burn fat, tone their legs, and improve their cardio, all without ever stepping foot in a HIIT class. But here's the big question. Is it actually legit? Can you really burn over 200 calories just by walking? And is this trend science-backed or just another social media fad? Section 1. What is 12-3-30 and why did it go viral? Let's break it down. The 12-3-30 workout is about as straightforward as it gets. You hop on a treadmill, crank the incline up to 12%, set the speed to 3 miles per hour, which is a brisk walk, and go for 30 minutes. No intervals, no incline changes, just steady walking up a steep grade. Creator Lauren Giraldo first introduced the workout in a casual TikTok, explaining how it helped her lose weight and get in shape without doing intense cardio. The appeal is obvious. No running, no jumping, no complicated choreography. Just a treadmill in 30 minutes. That simplicity, paired with real-life transformation stories, is what made it go viral. It feels accessible. It looks like something you can stick with. And because walking is something most people are already comfortable with, 12-3-30 feels way less intimidating than most workouts that flood fitness feeds online. Section 2. Calorie burn. Now let's get into the science. Can walking at an incline really burn more than 200 calories in half an hour? The short answer is yes. For most average-sized adults, 12-3-30 burns anywhere from 220 to 350 kilocalories in a 30-minute session. That's comparable to a light jog or moderate-intensity cycling. The key lies in the incline. When you walk uphill, especially at a 12% grade, your body has to work significantly harder. You're engaging large muscle groups, especially your glutes, hamstrings, and calves. Your heart rate goes up, your oxygen use increases, and your body starts burning more energy to fuel the climb. Some studies also suggest that incline walking can lead to improvements in VO2 max, which is a key indicator of cardiovascular fitness. In other words, it's not just a calorie burn. Over time, 12-3-30 can actually improve your overall endurance. Section 3, the benefits. One of the biggest advantages of 12-3-30 is that it's low impact. Unlike running, which can stress the knees and hips, especially if you're carrying extra weight or just getting started, incline walking is easier on the joints while still providing cardiovascular benefits. The incline also forces more muscular engagement in your lower body, which can help with toning, balance, and even posture. If you're someone who dreads traditional cardio or struggles with consistency, 12-3-30 might be a game changer simply because it's doable. It also doesn't require a gym membership or tons of equipment, just a treadmill with an incline function. Section 4, the limitations and cautions. But like any trending workout, 12-3-30 isn't a magic bullet, and it's not for everyone, especially not right out of the gate. Jumping straight into a 12% incline can be too aggressive for beginners. It can put a lot of strain on your Achilles tendons and calves, especially if you're not used to incline work. Some people report soreness or even injuries from overdoing it too soon. So if you're just starting, it's smart to begin at a lower incline, maybe 5% or 6%, and work your way up gradually over a couple of weeks. And remember, while 12-3-30 is a great form of steady-state cardio, it shouldn't be your only form of exercise. Your body adapts to routines pretty quickly, and doing the same exact workout over and over can lead to plateaus where progress stalls out. That's why mixing in strength training, interval cardio, or even mobility work is key to staying well-rounded and injury-free. Section 5, Science versus Social Media. So how does 12-3-30 hold up under the microscope? Pretty well, honestly. Social media didn't totally oversell this one. The workout does burn a solid number of calories, engages major muscle groups, and supports cardiovascular health without the high-impact downsides of running or jumping. But like any trend, it needs to be put in context. It's not a cure-all, it's not guaranteed fat loss, and it won't magically give you sculpted legs in a few weeks. What it can be is a sustainable, approachable entry point into fitness, especially for those who find high-intensity workouts overwhelming or demotivating. If you're thinking about trying 12-3-30, go for it. Just be smart about it. Warm up properly, listen to your body, and ease into the incline if you're new to treadmill workouts. Mix it into a broader routine that includes strength, mobility, and maybe even some intervals. And most importantly, focus on consistency, not perfection. Have you tried the 12-3-30 method? Did it work for you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into viral fitness trends, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more fitness science breakdowns, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and keep moving forward.